Mai I Aoraki Mauka, ka rere o ngā roimata hai waitaki ki te tai o Araituru. Tū mai a pakihi wītahi I Matakaia ko Waihemo ki raro. Ko te kohurau te mauka, ko kā kaunui te awa, ko te rapu vai, ko Waitaha, ko Kāti Māmoe, ko Kaitahu, ka iwi. Tihei Mauriora. Mana Rakatai ki Moeraki is about bringing together the uri of the kaihinaki of the Boulders back home to their whenua. It's about giving our rakatahi an opportunity to engage with the kōrero, the pūrākau of our tipuna. Building up a generation to be proud of who they are and where they come from.
Tēnā koutou katoa, ko te kōhero, toku maunga, ko Kakanui, toku awa, ko Araituru, toku moana, ko Uruwao, toku waka, ko Kaitahu, toku iwi, ko Kātia Tiatia, toku hapu, ko Moeraki, toku marae, no o tau tāhi ahau. Nō reira, auraki matatu, tēnā koutou, tēnā tātou katoa. So our last wānanga was solely at the Moeraki marae down south, and it was real mean. It was one of my first times actually going there and like feeling the mana of, you know, my tipuna were here, this is where they grew up, this is where they lived their lives. And we went down to the Urupa and I saw some of my tipuna, which was crazy, like they're right there in this whenua and this is their gravestone. That was a real mean experience. This fun, we're here at Takapo at the moment, learning mostly about awhitu and about Te Ao Marama, which is mean because I don't really know that much about it. And like we were driving this morning and I was like, oh, that's the Southern Cross. And I was like, I've never been able to do that before, and like pointed out. And it's just learning about that and how our tipuna knew so much about like astronomy and stuff. And they didn't have the resources that we do, but they knew so much about everything.
Mana Rakatahi has been pretty mean. It's been like probably the best thing I've ever done in my life. Like I've done a few camps and whatnot, but never done anything with like whānau based, which is pretty mean. I just love it, being able to like learn about our like history and our tipuna. That's pretty mean. And just like coming up here, I've never been up here, never been up to the snow, never been like past Dunedin. I've been up to like Moeraki and that's about it, and then never been further. So I've been like able to learn like where my mountain is, where my awa is, and then coming up here and like learning about the stars, which is pretty cool. Like back in the old days when our tipuna were around, they used the stars to like guide us and like guide their way and learn how to go somewhere and learn when to like catch the manu and when to like go eeling and all that kind of stuff is pretty cool. That's just mean. I've never experienced anything like this, never been able to meet my whānau, my cousins that I've never met, which is pretty dope.
Ko wai e, hei uri tēnei no tātou marawa, no ngā te hā tātou, no mau te hā tira moruhua no hoki, orere tēnei kamihi. My experience about Mana Rakatahi is I learn more about Matariki on the Haurika here in Takapo. Haringa around Waitaki district. Whakapapa. Whakapapa about our tipuna. Meeting all our new faces. All our new people in the house. In the house of Moeraki. In the house of our tipa.
Mahi to everyone that's shared their knowledge and their experiences with all of us. I've learned so much already and there's still a lot to learn and to grow, but I just thank everyone for coming and for sharing our knowledge and all our experiences together and learning from each other, having fun with each other. Mihi to everyone really, yeah.
There's a big aroha to use. Ora, kia ora.